Nairobi City has seen rising tension as enforcement action reshaped the central business district. Several buildings face removal as authorities push compliance with planning rules. Among affected properties is a well-known church linked to Pastor James Nganga. The case has drawn attention due to its location and past winnings. Government agencies say the structured site on land reserved for public use. Such spaces are protected under city plans approved years earlier. Demolition would mean major financial loss from buildings, equipment, and rental income. The church has operated as the site of many years. Official state notices were issued long before the planned demolition exercise. Owners were asked to remove items and seek legal options. The move forms part of a wider Nairobi Central Business District cleanup. Stores, churches, and shops have been affected during the occupy. City officials insist the law applies equally, regardless of ownership or status. They say compliance protects public safety and future planning. Pastor James Ngang has previously challenged similar action in court. The popular preacher has also accused authorities of unfair targeting. Legal experts note court order can delay but not cancel lawful demolition. Final outcomes depend on land records and approval. Congregants may be forced to relocate as services cannot continue on site. Temporary wood worship plans are expected as the situation unfolds. As enforcement continues, Pastor Nganga faces growing losses and uncertainty. The demolition marks a turning point in the long-running dispute. Thank you for watching Sethe Media. Please subscribe, share, comment for more news.